Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Telegram private channel without an invite link. So for this, first of all, just open the Telegram application in your mobile and you have to create a new group. Tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and tap on this new group. It can be a new group with just you inside or which is you as a member. Write the name of your group, enter the random name and then click on next. And now tap on this add members at the top, then tap on this copy the link, and now the link is copied to your clipboard. Now go back to your browser. You can go for any browser. I'm going for Chrome here. Now just paste the link here you've copied. Now you can use this link to type any channel name you want to join to. Let's say for example, you know a private channel or a specific channel name that you want to join but you don't have the invite link. Just type the name here. First of all, just erase all the thing before me and slash. And now after, let's say I'm going to type here Marvel and let's tap on this search bar. So if there will be any channel and you can join the channel and group, or you can join the private channel or link like that. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.